Hey everyone, welcome back to Top Data Course. I am Nidhi Patel and today we are diving into essential building blocks of our database design, primary keys and foreign keys. This is our ninth session, so if you have been following along, kudos to you. And if you are new here, glad to have you in our SQL journey. So let's start with the primary key constraint uniquely identifies each record in a table. That means a primary key in a database is like a unique identification number that sets each record apart from others. Let's understand this concept of a primary key in terms of something we all can relate to. That is identification number of people. In India, every citizen has a unique Aadhaar. This number is specific to one person and only one person, ensuring that no two people share the same Aadhaar number. In the US, the Social Security number serves a similar purpose. Each person has a unique SSN that identifies them in government data. Primary key is just like this identification number. Aadhaar number is used to uniquely identify the people of India, and primary key is used to uniquely identify the table records. No two people can have same Aadhaar number, and two records of same table cannot have same primary key. Share the same primary key. The primary key ensures that each row is unique and can reliably. I hope the concept of primary key. Now the question is, why do we need primary key? It prevents duplication, ensures that each record is unique, and makes it easy to retrieve or reference. Let's see how to define primary key in create table query. You can see a code of create table query on the screen. Here, primary key is defined on the ID column. This is a column level constraint where we define a primary key just beside the column name. A general practice for defining primary key on single column. Primary key can be made up of two or more columns as well. Let's see an example. Now here we have named primary key constraint as pk%. Also, you can see that primary key is made up of two columns, ID and name. This is a table level constraint where we define a primary key at the end of table definition after all the fields are defined. When we have a primary key as a combination of more than one column, it is known as a composite key, and we have to define it at important points to remember about primary keys. Primary keys must contain unique values and cannot contain null values. A table can have only one primary key. Primary key can consist of single or multiple columns. When there are two or more columns in a primary key, it is called a composite key. Now that we have understood the primary key, let's explore how foreign key works with a similar analogy. A foreign key is a field or a collection of fields in one table that refers to the primary key in another table. In simple words, a foreign key in a database is like a reference or link that connects one piece of information to another. It's similar to how a person's Aadhaar number or SSN can be used to link that person to various records in other databases like their bank account, tax records, or I hope it's clear to you how foreign key works. The table with the foreign key is called the child table, and the table with the primary key is called the referenced or parent table. So, the government database where the Aadhaar number of or SSN is a primary key will become the parent table, and the bank database or text database where the same Aadhaar number or SSN becomes foreign key. Imagine we have two tables in our database. First is citizen table, which contains basic information about individuals with their Aadhaar number or SSN as the primary. And the second table is a bank account table, which stores the information about bank account person. Now, as one person can have more than one bank account, this bank account table will have more than one records for a single person, and hence we cannot keep the Aadhaar number or SSN as the primary key. But at the same time, we want that each record which is entered in the bank account has to be valid. And how do we validate it? By checking its Aadhaar number only. So in this case, what we are going to do is, we will make the bank account number as the primary key, which is unique for each account, whether the account holder is same but the account is different. So the account number will be different, and hence the primary key will be unique. And to validate that the account holder really exists, what we are doing is, we are adding Aadhaar number or SSN as a foreign key, which is referring to the primary key in the citizen table. Now I hope it is clear to you the concept. Important points to remember about foreign key. Foreign key need not. A table can have more than one foreign. To wrap up, primary keys and foreign keys might sound like technical jargon at first, but once you understand their roles, they are like the superheroes of your database. Primary keys keep your data unique and tidy, while foreign keys create those crucial relationships that bring your data together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Top Data Coach for more insights into the world of. I am Nidhi Patel, and I'll see you in our last session on SQL Join. Till then, keep practicing, keep querying. Bye.